Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial video I will show you how to set up and manage server-side tracking for Microsoft ads, formerly that is known being ads. So let's go and get started and see how to set this Microsoft Conversion API for server-side tracking. You can see now I am in the Microsoft Ads conversion dashboard. On this dashboard, I have installed two UAT tag. One is, you can see, that is SIPO UAT tag, and another is MARF Academy. So in this tag, that is tag active, a SIPO UAT tag that is active, I will work on this. If I click on this edit icon for this SIPO UAT tag, then we will see that this configuration setting for UAT tag, and I will go for save and next. And here there is 4 setup tagging, that is install tag yourself, send tag developer, editing platform, or automatically add tracking tag through Google Tag Manager, or use conversion API. So I will use this conversion API and I will go for next. And this is the conversion API access token that actually we need for server-side tracking. I will copy this token and I will go for next and I will go done. I will go in the server container, a Google Tag Manager server container. If you don't know how to set up Google Tag Manager server container, then you can see my previous video. I have shown how to create server container on Google Cloud platform or Stipe platform. You can see. Now first we will need a one conversion API tag template for this Microsoft Bing Ads server-side tracking. I will search in the gallery. Let's type Microsoft, and I can see there is different conversion API tag template created by different platform, but I will use the one that created by Stipe. I will click on it and add to workspace and add it to my workspace. Now you see the Microsoft Ads UAT conversion API by Stipe is already in my workspace. I will click on the tags and create a new tag, Microsoft Conversion API tag. So event type setup method, there is two event type setup method, that is standard, that is page load, and another is inherit from the client. I will go for inherit from client. And first you need the tag ID, that UAT tag ID. We can get it from tag helper. This UAT tag is active. Let's copy it and go back in the tag manager. Let's paste it, but the access token we have created. Let's go again. Save and next. Copy the access token, paste it, and client ID, that is true, and Microsoft customer ID or manager account ID, that is called CID. If I go in the Microsoft tag ID, and then you can see AID, that is account ID, and that one is CID, that we need this manager account ID. I will copy this CID and go back in tag template and paste it. And there is anonymous ID and click setting, server event, data parameter. You can also send some additional data parameter, user data parameter, event parameter, everything you can send. So right now we don't need it. For triggering, we'll use client, that is client name is GE4. Let's create again. That will be custom, some event ID and client name equals GA4. GA4. I will not save this tag because I have already set this tag. Let's discard it. You can see client name equals to GA4. This is the filter we will use. Let's name that one Microsoft CAPI and save it. Let's submit the tag, this workspace, name it Microsoft CAPI and publish the container. Let's preview and see if the Microsoft Conversion API is working perfectly under this server-side container, server-side. Let's preview. Okay, now our preview mode already activated. Let's preview the web container. Let's connect. I see my website is already connected with debugger. Let's go, and I can see that the tags Microsoft CAPI is failed. Why this is failed? Due to some bug issue, the Microsoft CAPI shows failed, but if I click on this and I can see that the tag is successfully fired and data is sent to Microsoft. Let's go and see some more event. I'll view this item, then add to cart. I'll view the cart, proceed to checkout, and place the order. Let's go back in server container. I see there is a purchase event and Microsoft CAPI is working. The tag is fire and all this information is going through server API. Everything is working here perfectly. If I go and see the add to cart event, same like it's working perfectly. Let's go in the Microsoft Ads Manager again. And if I go in the conversion section, we can see the event. Still the value is not available, but I believe this value will be available very soon. Yes, everything is working perfectly. Parameter, if I see page load, product type, on screen view ID, everything is working perfectly. So conversion API for Microsoft Bing Ads is working perfectly. Hope you have enjoyed the video. So thank you.